Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, annoying as Didi, and today we're gonna be making some fresh orange juice. Let's go. All right, so how we're gonna make this is we're gonna use 2 whole oranges with the peel. So make sure you wash these. Just 1 lemon wedge with the peel and some ginger with the skin, okay? Let me go wash these. All right, so everything is washed. I got my nice little blender. I can't find the little tube to it, you know, the little piece that go in here. I can't find it, but that's okay. Hopefully. But anyways, so we're gonna chop these things up in quarters. This looks so good. They're so juicy. Put that in the blender. Remember, we are going to, oh, this is going bad. That's okay. That's still good. And then we're going to use ginger. And we're going to add some nice spring water to this. However much you want to put in here. The less water, the more concentrated. If you're going to make a concentrated version, I would suggest freezing it and then putting it in a pitcher and making a full pitcher of orange juice. You can do it that way. But me, I want to drink this now because I've already tried putting it in the pitcher, and when it's in the pitcher, it kind of like it gets really bitter. So make sure that's locked in. All right, so what I'm gonna have to do is put my hand over the blender. Let me show you. All right, so I'm gonna put my hand over the blender so the juice doesn't fly out. And we're gonna go with low. Alright, so if you're gonna put this in the pitcher, I wouldn't suggest doing it with the fresh orange juice. If it's frozen orange juice, then I haven't tried that yet. I would have to try that. But it would make sense to make a concentrated version of the orange juice, freeze it, and then add it to some water. How will it taste the next day or the day after? I do not know. But I've already tried this where I made the fresh orange juice and then I put it in the pitcher, and it was real bitter the next day. So I was like, ooh, girl. But this is really, really good for you. It's high in vitamin C. It has a bunch of minerals in it for you that you need on a day-to-day basis. And this is gonna get your energy up really good. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and strain the pulp that didn't get, the peels that didn't get blended as much, and then we're gonna drink this thing. My mouth is watering already. All right, so here you go. Big old pack of pretty juices. That's what this is. Look at all that pulp. Now what you can do, you can freeze this too and put it in, freeze it as cubes, and then put it in a smoothie. You can put this in your compost. You can feed this to your chickens. I don't know about chickens. Do chickens eat citrus? But look at all this goodness. Shoot, yeah, you can put this in a smoothie. You probably can put this in cookies. That's a lot you can do with this leftover pulp. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. It's so refreshing. If you have a cheesecloth, you can put this in a cheesecloth and strain it out like that. But I'm just using what I have on hand right now. This looks so good. No sugar, no salt, just plain old orange, lemon, and ginger. You don't even see the ginger in here. All I see is straight orange. This smells so good. Shoot, you can put this, you can do so much with this. You can put this in, make some orange lollipops. All right, you see how all that came together? Look at that. Look at that. Shoot, you can put these, did I say cookies? Make some orange cookies. Put them in pancakes, put it in a muffin. Look at that. That's excellent. All right, let me go get my glass and my ice. All right, guys, I got my ice and my glass. Gotta be careful with this ice tray. This thing's sharp. Oh no, I dropped the ice. And I'm the parent now, so now I gotta pick it up, put it in the sink. No, I don't want to get cut, man. I got this from Amazon because I'm trying to stay away from plastic. You know, when you make ice cubes with those plastic ice trays, the plastic forms inside of the ice cubes. So I'm slowly but surely trying to get away from plastic. Ah! This thing is kicking my ass. All right, that'll do. We'll worry about that later. So we gonna put the juice in here. Uh-oh. You don't want to spill none of this. This is liquid gold, baby. Look at that. I spilled that. Look how good that looks. Look how orange, yellow this looks. Oh my God, y'all. I can't wait to try it. Oh, I'm still recording? Okay, so look. Boom. missing something. It need more lemon. It needs more lemon. But this is what you want. Mmm. 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 I gotta put some more lemon in there. There you go. So instead of just one wedge, I should have put 3. I should have put the whole thing in there. But yeah. Look at that color. That's good. That's good. So what I'm gonna do with this, because I would rather have this fresh every day. So with the rest of this, I think I'm gonna make some popsicles for my kids. Add a little sugar in it. Put this in the popsicle mold. And now I have this like for a snack. Oh, excuse me. But this feels like heaven. All right, y'all. So that's my time. This is so good. This is really gonna get me through the day. I just ate a seed. You gotta make this. It's gonna make you feel real good. And it's gonna help you fight whatever BS is out there. So until next time, baby, it's annoying as Diddy. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.